everyone, I'm Lakysha with What's Next, and I know that traveling can be very stressful. So with my many years of working in the airline industry, I just wanted to be able to share some tips and tricks that will help you not be a dumb traveler. Of course, no one ever wants a flight to be delayed or canceled, but knowing why the flight is delayed will help determine what the next step is going to be with your travel. Delays fall into categories of controllable versus uncontrollable as far as the airline is concerned. Could the airline control the delay, or was the delay uncontrollable, such as weather, or the airport itself had an issue which was out of the airline's control? Things such as crew delays, maintenance, or anything else that the airline could control then, of course, falls into a controllable delay under the airline's control. Airlines have limited options during an uncontrollable delay because they are not responsible for the delay. Therefore, there's no reason to stress. It won't make a difference. It's best to just know your options if it's a delay that is controllable or uncontrollable. Ask the representatives from the airline what is it that they can do, and don't get upset because it doesn't change the situation. Just be prepared no matter what. When you travel, you should always have a backup plan. Don't leave the day that you need to arrive somewhere if it's a very important trip. And don't expect that nothing is going to go wrong. This is not realistic when you're traveling. So many things can change. I'm Lakysha with What's Next. And if you stick with me and these little tips and tricks, I will make sure that you do not get caught being a dumb traveler. Like and subscribe, and keep up with our series, Dumb Traveler.